In Berlin, thousands of students gathered to voice their opposition to Germany's newly approved military service reform. The law, passed by a vote of 323 to 272, introduces mandatory health screenings for all 18-year-old men born after January 1, 2008, while keeping actual service voluntary. Organizers from the School Strike Against Mandatory Military Service initiative say the reform could expand future obligations if voluntary recruitment falls short. Defense Minister Boris Pistorius emphasized that strengthening Germany's defense capacity is essential, and that partial conscription could become unavoidable if volunteer numbers remain too low. The government aims to increase the Bundeswehr from roughly 184,000 active soldiers to as many as 270,000 by the year 2035. As the legislation moves to the Bundesrat for final approval before January 1, 2026, young people across the country continue to debate what this shift means for their future.